Following the cleaning stage, the sieves undergo cracking and dehulling. In this phase, specialized equipment breaks the hard outer shell of the sieve, separating it from the kernel. This not only facilitates easier oil extraction, but also improves the efficiency of the process. The cracked sieves then move to the cooking and pressing stages, where they are heated and pressed to extract the oil. Cooking involves adjusting the temperature and moisture content of the sieves to optimize oil yield. After the initial pressing, crude sunflower oil is collected and sent to the refining section. Here, the oil undergoes processes such as degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization to remove impurities, improve clarity. The last stage in the production line involves packaging. Once refined, each component of the sunflower oil processing line plays a vital role in delivering a high-quality product. From seed preparation to final packaging, the integration of advanced technology ensures maximum efficiency and minimal waste.